course, we do have the premier ball here, which can be used one per set, but cannot be used to win the set. Now, also another interesting aspect of this on tour, because it's exposure, everybody is supposed to be playing, and every player must play at least 3 rallies.
The coaches. Kasi yung match-up, pag-aaralan mo din yan eh. Because both teams need to play all. You have to make sure it will be a good matchup.
Absolutely. In the meantime, depending on where you're looking to be left or the right, but she's in a good place there. And however, as they sort that out, Campfire, Camillas. Good swing by Sabetit. Lambot ng bola nang dumating kay Jel Cayuna.
Oh, Cayuna is able to really create these plays. Nakakapili eh. Saan ko pa ito
Good
bibigay?
point, yeah. Parang buffet eh, no? Talagang kahit saan ka pumili. Oh! Sus! Blocked and scored upon. Set.
Sakto. Cayuna. Perfect timing.
Later on, we'll have one more game. Chocomucho will play Akari. In the meantime, chance to equalize. Hule. Recycled. Hule. And we're done.
Net defense working for next lead.
And it's part of the history of the PVL on tour. Taken now by the Chameleons with a count of 25 to into the front part of the end line. It finds a way to be scored upon. We're tied at 3.
Mas may chance na wala ng depensa. Kaya lang, risky also. No?
Oh, kasi uma-attack, sumasalubong eh, moving forward yung defense. In the meantime, that spike too hot to handle. We are now tied at 7.
Just enjoying the PVL on tour journey.
Alam ko na dyan na ihido ang susunod ng trabaho.
Talagang ang daming blessed with height.
I remember you years back telling me na kayo matangkad na nun. Pero ito, iba ang
yeah.
tangkad nitong generation na to
So
eh.
I saying, kung ngayon siguro kami naglaro, wala na kaming pupuntahan. Because
Like with some family from Davao. Lalim. Kala ko out. Kayo na check the horizon.
wow. Palalim ng palalim, no? Palapit ng palapit sa attack line para dito kay Pablo to reach and hit the ball. And she's going for the very top.
Tsaka alam din ni kayo na si Pablo, maina, umuwi na tayo. Tapusin natin to. Mauna na tayo sa hotel. That's foiled but kept in play. Here comes the third pass. Kayo na.
Oh, and this time, putting matters into her own hands.
Watch this Bang.
And ito yung pinopoint out mo rin kanina. The position of her body when they just need to have a good pass, a good receive, and they deliver.
Yun sa mga intention ni kayo na, no? Doon sa buta sa likod. Oh. Slow down.
Oh, what a hit.
Lutong. Kahit ano ipatong. Sakto. And de Guzman delivering a hot one there. Changing play brought to you by GAC. And already the Chameleons have a 2-set-to-love lead after taking the second by the same score, 25. That was already a 4-point lead, but that has been erased. The southpaw serve, one-handed set, tossed high by Baby Love. Hello, kept in play.
Oh, off the block. What a strong serve.
Tapped over, kept in play. Oh, well done.
Through the blockers.
22-19. Nice set.
Oh, look at that.
Nice set. Alam mo eh.
Pag sa gitna, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon. Again, di naman lahat kailangan paluin, ano? sabi nga natin, no, matangkad tignan sa TV, but I'm sure yung mga kasama natin dito, pag nakikita nila ngayon in person, ang tatangkad.
It's time for our player of the game here in Palamalok from the Next Led Chameleons, Jel Cayuna! Jel Cayuna with 16 excellent sets and 4 points. Jel, congratulations! Ano yung pakiramdam na makapaglaro in front of this crowd here in Palamalok na punong-puno yung gym?
Okay na mag-Bisaya.
Of course.
Una sa tanan, salamat kaayo sa init nga pagdawat sa mga ingani day kalami mo dula dere, grabe ka supportive ang mga crowd. Thank you so much.
Murag maka-feel jud ta sa support sa mga tao dire unsa man imong masulti usa ka message dire sa mga Palamokenyo.
Daghang salamat kay gidawat mo ninyo gipangga mi ninyo kaayo mga players and unta nga nakabalik kami sunod. And o kung di man may makabalik, unta ma-experience sa ubang team kung unsa mo ka mapanggaon. Daghang salamat.
And of course, Jel, naapa mo yung mga Lanao del Norte nga stop sunod sa Next Led. Would you like to invite the fans na tanaawon pa mo dire sa PBL on tour?
Sorry.
Invite the fans.
Sa lahat po ng nanonood ngayon, patuloy niyo po kaming suportahan sa mga games pa namin, sa mga natitira pang games namin, and maraming salamat po sa suporta.
Congratulations once again, Jel Cayuna, our player of the game from the Next Led Chameleons. 7-9.